Tesla is showing us that Cybercab mass production is well underway. Tesla has provided a first look from inside a production Cybercab as it drove itself off the assembly line at Gigafactory Texas. The video footage, posted on X, opens on the factory floor with robotic arms and assembly equipment visible through the Cybercab windshield, and follows the car through a branded tunnel marked Cybercab before autonomously navigating itself to a holding lot. The first Cybercab rolled off the Giga Texas production line on February 17, 2026, with Musk writing on X, "Congratulations to the Tesla team on making the first production Cybercab." April marked the official shift to volume production. The Giga Texas line is being prepared to produce hundreds of units per week, with 60 units already spotted on the Gigafactory campus earlier this month. Purpose-built for autonomy, the Cybercab was first revealed publicly at Tesla's We Robot event in October 2024 at Warner Bros. Studios in Burbank, California, where 20 pre-production units gave attendees rides around the studio lot. Musk said he believed the average operating cost would be around 20 cents per mile, and that buyers would be able to purchase one for under $30,000. The two-seat design is deliberate. Musk noted that 90% of miles driven involve one or two people, making a compact two-passenger vehicle the most efficient configuration for a fleet-scale robotaxi. Eliminating rear seats also removes complexity and cost, supporting that sub-$30,000 target. Tesla's annual production goal is 2 million Cybercabs per year, once several factories reach full design capacity. The Cybercab has no steering wheel, no pedals, and relies entirely on Tesla's vision-based FSD system. What the video shows is the first evidence of that system working not as a demo, but as a production reality, driving itself off the line and into the world. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.